It's a ground rule in Finland, every man's rights. Nature belongs to everybody, so I could pick many things from this forest, even if it belongs to my neighbor. I might have a courtesy to ask, but basically, if you are not disturbing the neighbor, if he doesn't have a direct view contact to you picking, then you can just do it, even if you come from abroad. This nature belongs to you as well. And this is not a thing that many travelers in Finland realize. For the berries, for the mushrooms, all these plants, like this extremely nutritious nettle, or my favorite ground elder, or the plumber of the body, dandelion. Yummy.